Galih. My name is Kamala Dewi.
Yudianto Sebuah.
How to achieve sustainable cities and communities. Introduction. The purpose of focusing on sustainable cities and communities is to improve urban planning, management, and development to make the world. The purpose of focusing on sustainable cities and communities is to improve urban planning, management, and development to make the world's urban space more inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Currently, more than 3 and 5 billion people live in cities, and this number is expected to reach 6 and 5 billion by 2015. Business have been an important element of the development of cities, contributing to the overall economic growth by providing income and boosting productivity. Therefore, cities generate more than 18% of global gross domestic product. Problems related to urbanization, on the other hand, although the growth of cities provides opportunities for many people, it also contributes to large financial, social, and environmental inequality. Growth of the urban area leads to habitat destruction, species and extinction, and resource depletion that further emphasizes the effect of climate change and natural disaster. Problems related to urbanization, on the other hand, although the growth of cities provides opportunities for many people, it also contributes to large financial, social, and environmental inequalities. That is, the rapid growth of the urban area leads to habitat destruction, spatial extinction, and resource depletion that further emphasizes the effect of climate change and natural disaster. On top of that, most of the time, extreme poverty is concentrated in the cities, and governments to accommodate the rising population in these areas. In other words, urbanization comes together with the necessity of basic service, infrastructure, jobs, land, and affordable housing, especially for the approximately 1 billion urban poor people who live in informal settlements like slums and marginal neighborhoods. The majority of those people living in poor conditions are located in East and Southeast area. In these densely populated areas with a lack of access to hygiene and basic sanitation, the impact of COVID-19 was highlighted Therefore, it is extremely important to work towards the achievement of SDG 11 as it aims to make cities safer and more sustainable, providing access to affordable housing and upgrading slum settlement. Additionally, improving the sustainability of the urbanization process is essential to protect the environment and reduce disaster risks and climate change.
Stop it. Get some help.
Sustainable infrastructure system, and equipment that provide essential public service with respect the environment and are sustainable in economic, financial, social, and institutional. Stable and resilient city has resource efficient systems in place to provide essential service and is prepared to adapt to climate-induced disasters. As a result of more sustainable cities is a healthier and more productive workforce and improved labor market functioning and market access as a result of better public transport. The importance of investing in public transport. Therefore, in order to achieve SDG 11, it is also important to invest in public transport and is also prevents intensive emission and consequential air pollution. However, according to data from 610 cities in 95 countries in 2019, only half the global urban population has access to public transport. It is important to explain that the definition of conventional access to public transport is residing with 5,000 meter walking distance of a bus parking and 1,000 meter of a railway of ferry terminal. Cities that do not offer proper access to public transport cause a big impact on citizens' lives as it affects their ability to find proper work, secure a livable wage, and improve their basic quality of living. Therefore, investing in public transportation not only reduces air pollution and improves mobility, but also contributes to other SDG that are related to health, education, sustainable energy, decent work, and equality and growth. This fact reflects on the importance of achieving SDG 11. However, even though many of these goals are scaled for national government implementation, companies can still contribute through actions that will be now presented by us. How can companies help the achievement of SDG 11? Collaboration on Goal 11 requires companies to analyze the needs of the urban area to provide solutions that have long-lasting impacts. This action will not only help cities to be more sustainable but will also reflect stakeholders that your business is engaged in taking action. So here we present a couple of actions that you can implement in your business aiming to achieve the 11 global. Investing in parks and green space. Investing in parks and green space not only improve air quality but next, investing in parks and green space. Investing in parks and green space not only improve air quality but also has a positive impact on your employees. Green space across the workplace provide a feeling of less job pressure and greater job satisfaction on employees when compared to views with man-made objects. It has also been reported fewer hatches and other elements as open space provide a sense of rest. Framework toward zero emission. Companies should improve their buildings infrastructure sustainable and build facilities according to sustainable building practice that will help to reduce energy consumption. On top of that, companies can also encourage workers to use bikes by providing bike racks and to use public transportation by building facilities near exciting public transportation lines.
Invest in research, develop, and deploy products and services Business should invest in the research, development, and development of product and service that improve access to resource buildings, transport, green speeches, and utilities. In addition, the Solboy partnership with kids to increase this product. In her words, investing in research and development for key sustainable infrastructure technologies. Investing in research and development for key sustainable infrastructure technology guarantees that urban projects do not negatively impact the environment and social access.
Protect and invest in cultural and natural heritage. This includes investment in environmental protection, supporting museum, creating and transport infrastructure in communities. This is important because not only do these cultural and natural heritage cities provide subsistence for local communities, but also contribute to education for visitors, provide access to essential services for employees. In some communities, essential services, for example, education, housing, and healthcare, are not available for many people. For this reason, companies should take action to guarantee that all their employees have access to this service.
The increasing flow of urbanization creates new problems for urban areas, starting from was education, transportation, socio-economic, disaster, and health. On the other hand, an increasingly modern and established society has a multitude of expectations, such as a comfortable living and working environment, adequate public areas, and easy of managing all forms of public service. Goal 11 SDG is to make cities and such remain inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. To achieve the goal of sustainable cities and settlements by 2030, through the National Action Plan for Sustainable Development goals, 10 national targets were set. These targets include, among other things, integrated city development, urban infrastructure and service, as well as disaster risk and climate change in cities. Referring to the concept of sustainable development, the smart cities concept has been understood as something that is able to improve the quality. Referring to the concept of sustainable development, the smart cities concept has been understood as something that is able to improve the quality of life by using urban information and technology to improve service and meet citizens' needs. Several cities that have applied the smart city concept in Indonesia are
Several cities that have applied the smart city concept in Indonesia are Jakarta. Jakarta Smart City is the application of the smart city concept by optimizing the use of information and communication technology so that it can maximize public service and support sustainable development. One of the concepts of Jakarta Smart City is smart environment to overcome chronic problems such as flooding, slums, and waste from the DKI Jakarta provincial government. The overcome flooding, the government is normalizing rivers. One of the efforts is to move residential area in the river basin and provide educate housing by building flats and busway that use electronic power and environmentally friendly gas-powered cars.
2. Bandung. The city of Bandung is a city that excels in implementing smart cities and has received several international awards, one of which is the winner of the 2015 Smart City Award held by Existing Ecosystem magazine. The implementation of smart city in the city of Bandung is the establishment of the Bandung Command Center, memory control center for the city of Bandung, which is supported by several facilities such as global positioning system tracking, closed circuit television, installed in areas prone to traffic violation, crime, and disasters.
3. Makassar. A smart city concept that is able to monitor traffic jams and unholy parking payment system that is already on track. Apart from the there are also smart cars that can be used for purpose of government and payment system. 4. Surabaya.
In 2011, the city of Surabaya received a national award at the Smart City Award event in three categories, namely Smart Governance, Smart Living, and Smart Environment. One of them is that the city of Surabaya has implemented an early warning system for disasters and information technology-based waste processing system and information technology-based water. 5. Semarang. Regional Planning Information Systems, Evaluation Monitoring Information, integrates one online citizen reporting, public CCTV application, and building permit system that can be managed without needing to go to a government office. Jakarta. Using an electricity system through a small gateway regulates the use of electricity generation using new renewable energy, EBT, and fossil energy.
Oh, okay.
These power plants need to be regulated because EBT cannot always continue to operate. They need to be supported by fossil power plants. Apart from that, on the customer side, through the smart grid, they can also regulate electricity automatically according to the need, so that saving can be created. Denpasar dan Damamaya. Denpasar Cyber Monitor with various smart city applications synergies in one room, covering the cells with the emergency telephone number and 112 for monitoring ATCS one online people as completion atau Pro Denpasar, Geographic Information System, and e-Sewaka Dharma. The implementation of a smart city can be carried out in a city by ranking or city hub so that its implementation can run smoothly and successfully. The world population continues to increase. To accommodate everyone, we need to build modern and sustainable for all of us to survive and prosper. We need new smart urban planning that creates safe, affordable
and resilient cities with green living conditions and inspiring culture. Bye! Thank you so much for watching our video.